Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to find out what is 15% of $20. So before starting the solution, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So 15% of $20, first we'll know the meaning of this percent. So the symbol percentage is equals to 1 by 100. So if we remove the symbol, we can write 1 by 100 of, we can write multiplication $20. So it's 15 by 100 times 20. Cancel out the 0 with 0 and 2, 10 with 5. So 15 by 5, that is $3. So 15% of 20 is $3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.